Hi everyone, I want to talk to you a little bit about how useful my 13 to 24 number matching set is. Um, this set was designed to be able to use for a number of different concepts in a number of different ways, not just as simple as counting to learn numbers. First, we have basic counting skills, counting items from 13 to 24. So you'll see that each number comes with three picture magnets to go with it. It can be very difficult for children to count and continue counting when they're moving to something new. So this is a way to help them practice doing that. We also have counting on. So take 13 for example. If children are aware that that array is five objects, then you want them to be able to look at the next magnet and count on from 5 instead of having to start again from 1. So you will go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's another way to help them practice these skills of adding on. We also have subitising. So subitising is when they can look at an array of objects and know how many there are without counting them. This set is only for subitising from numbers 4 and up. So it's a way for them to practice identifying larger numbers. Children can subitise numbers 1, 2, and 3 fairly young. So this is just a way for them to practice those larger numbers that can be a bit tricky. Then we have multiple arrays. So learning that no matter how the objects are presented, it still equals the same number. Quite often, if they're presented a set of numbers the same way constantly, they can subitise it. Take, for example, a dice. They can subitise that 5 configuration really easily and they learn that, but present 5 in a different way and they have to count them. So this set is designed to display those numbers in different arrays so that children can practice understanding that 6 can look different. So these are some of the 6 magnets here. Each of them, these 6 items are presented in a different way and designed to help them learn that that is 6, that is 6, that is 6, that is 6. And it will always be 6. And they don't have to count it again and again and again. You can see the same thing goes with 8. So 8 is the same thing. Next, we have multiplication and grouping. So I have 21 and 24 set up here. I've chosen these numbers because they split up into equal groups. You can see that 21, each array is presented the same way, and that was deliberate so that children can clearly and obviously see that 21 is made up of 3 groups of the same number. So it's just a very pictorial way of helping them see and understand the grouping concept. 24 is a little bit more complex. So 3 groups of 8, but I've chosen different arrays. This is also really important too because it's not only showing them that it's 3 groups of 8, but they're also split into groups of 4 in those magnets and groups of 2. So it's showing them that there's a larger number of ways that numbers can be grouped to make bigger numbers. So basically, the educational opportunity using these magnets is vast, and you can have a look at the set, decide what your children or students need to know, and work with them and choose the magnets that suit you. You can also purchase the 1 to 12 set and use the number 6 number to go with that, if that's how you'd like to work it. So yeah, basically this is the 13 to 24 set. It took me a long time to design this set because I didn't want it to be limited in its educational potential. I knew I could make something that could be used in a number of different ways for a number of children that struggle with a range of different things. So I was really happy with the final design of this, because I feel like children can get a lot more out of it than if it was just simply one number magnet with a matching array. So thank you.